So you have to have an air pump with you in order to put some air and repair the flat tire. The tire pressure on this car is Saab 93 2008 is 35 psi. This is the tool set. This is the plug. It has 5 plugs in it, but we need only one. It has a tool that we're gonna insert the plug in and push it in the hole, and another tool over here to roughen and clean the hole. So if you see a screw on your car, don't remove it if you're driving the car, because once you remove the screw, you're gonna lose your tire, gonna go flat right away. Well, we're gonna put some of this paste. So this is the plug, how it looks like. You're gonna slide it in like this. And we're gonna leave equal distance from both sides. A vulcanizing paste. I'm gonna put some vulcanizing paste on the plug. And we're gonna go back and we're gonna remove this and put the plug right away. But make sure you have air inside the tire. And make sure the handbrake is on so the tire won't turn while you're doing it. So as you see, I left about ½ inch outside, and we're gonna just move it like this and remove the tool. And we're gonna cut the excess with a razor blade. As you see, it was down to 18, now it's 20, 35.4, 30.43.